subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe.
And ring the bell.
And ring the bell. Hi mga Momshies! So we're here for another video and today mag-unbox tayo ng gift that I received from the AB Community UAE. So na-surprise ako the other day kasi may biglang dumating na package dito sa bahay. Ang laki ng box. So ang nakakatawa, ganito siya kalaki. Ayan. Tapos, meron pa siyang picture. Picture ko, nakalagay, Happy Birthday, Chari. We wish you all the best that life has to offer. We love you. From your favorite gal pals of AB Community UAE. So, nung nakita ko to, immediately, alam ko na sa kanila galing. Ang nakakatawa, nung dineliver dito, yung si kuya na nag-deliver, tinignan niya yung picture. Sabi niya, is this you? Sabay tingin ulit sa picture. Sabi ko, yes. Tapos parang nag-alinlangan pa siya. Tsaka niya lang inabot sa akin. Parang siguro sabi niya, bakit iba yung nasa picture? Bakit iba yung itsura sa personal? Medyo na-offend ako dun, kuya. So, eto na nga. So, mag-unbox ako today. Nung na-receive ko to, wala talaga akong idea kung anong laman niya. Medyo inalog-alog ko pa siya. Akala ko parang combination siya ng maraming products, etc. Tapos, sa sobrang excited ko, binuksan ko na siya. So, ang laman niya pala is this Bbeautiful from Bbeautiful. Matagal ko nang gusto magkaroon nitong skincare fridge. Kaso lang, ewan ko bakit hindi pa ako bumibili. Let's do the unboxing of this one. So, hindi ko pa siya binuksan, although inalis ko lang siya sa box. So, let's see what are the things inside. So, medyo mabigat siya, pero maliit lang. Let's open it. Ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya sa loob. Obviously, these are the plugs. It comes in two cords. This one is the DC cord for the car. Parang pwede mo yata siyang dalhin kapag lalabas ka or when you decide to go picnic, you can put some sodas or food inside. Hindi lang to pang skincare, of course. And there's one more plug that you can plug it inside the house. And of course, it comes with an instruction on how you'll use it. Okay. Skip this. And then, meron siyang masasya ganito. Comes with this one is a divider, I think. Okay, let's insert it. And then there's one more that you can insert here on the door. Medyo malaki naman pala siya. Meron siyang buhatan dito sa taas. And I prepared some products here on my side. I will just check and show you gaano karami yung pwedeng mailagay sa loob nitong beauty fridge. Ito na siya. So, on the top, I'll try to put this. This one is the collagen serum. Ampule that I'm currently using. This one is a gel type. Also, this is just a reminder na hindi lahat ng skincare products nyo nyo ilagay sa fridge. You need to check with the brand or you need to read the labels on your skincare kasi merong mga skincares na kailangan mo siyang i-chill like vitamin C serum to prolong yung kanyang shelf life. Usually kasi ang vitamin C serum is mabilis mag-oxidize. So, to avoid that, you need to put it inside the ref. The products na nilalagay ko talaga sa fridge is the one with a gelish consistency and my toners, soothing and cooling toners. I put them inside the ref. And also the vitamin C serum. But I don't put the moisturizers and the creams inside the fridge. It depends on the products. Kasi baka mamaya meron kayong skincare products na hindi naman kailangan nire-ref, no? So, mag-iiba yung consistency and baka mas hindi na siya mas effective. So, anyways, let's continue. Nalagay ko na yung isang product dito sa taas. So, let's add one more. And this one, let's see if no, it's not gonna fit. And this one. This is just for illustration purposes, of course. I don't put caution inside my fridge. This is just to show you kung gaano karami ang pwede mong mailagay sa loob. Pwedeng ilagay dito sa taas kung isisiksik mo siya. So, we'll proceed on the bottom part. Wala siya kita-fit. Ayan. Ayan, marami ka pang pwedeng ilagay. Ito kasi nasa box. So, this one. Yung mga gantong size, pwede siyang nakatayo. Ayan. Marami pa siyang space dito sa loob. And hindi ako nakapag-prepare ng mga items. So, on this side naman, I think you can put some sheet mask. These are the best products na pwede mong ilagay sa fridge kasi masarap gumamit ng sheet mask na malalaki. Okay. Wow, that's a lot. Let's see if I can close it. Yes! Guys, gusto ko lang ipakita yung aking mini fridge sa inyo. And I would like to thank my AB community UAE for gifting me this fridge. Thank you so much. And this is a very nice gift na naisip niyo for me. If you want to purchase this beauty fridge, you can buy it at Bbeautiful. I will just mention their website on the description box. And also, you can check their Instagram page. I will just mention it here on the video itself. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I'll see you again on my next video. Don't forget to like or comment down below if you have any questions. And subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye!